And Team 10 is digging into a controversial anti-feminism blog. Some believe it is the worst on the internet. It's called The Return of Kings, and the group behind it is planning to host an international meetup this weekend with some locations here in San Diego. It's drawing the attention of critics and law enforcement as well. Team 10 investigator Adam Mercusen has been looking into the worries surrounding this. Adam.
And less than 10 minutes ago, the Return of Kings website posted the meetings for Saturday. 2 of them in San Diego are now canceled. The group was heavily criticized on the internet. 10 News even received emails asking about these meetups. On its website, Return of Kings describes itself as a blog for heterosexual masculine men who believe men should be masculine and women should be feminine. Set for this weekend, the group hosting an international ROK meetup day. 165 meetings in 43 countries. 2 of the events scheduled in San Diego, with secret passwords and introductions, referring to themselves as tribesmen. The website says members can help identify each other with the question, "Do you know where I can find the pet shop?" Return of Kings has come under a firestorm of criticism, and posts online suggest people in some cities plan to protest them. There's even a Twitter hashtag called #TurnAway Return of Kings. The person listed as the site's publisher once writing an article calling for the legalization of rape on private property because it would help put a stop to rape. On Tuesday, he tweeted this, saying the article was satire. But that's fallen on deaf ears, with even the governor of Texas responding to the proposed meetups, writing, "This pathetic group and their disgusting viewpoints are not welcome in Texas." Again, as I was coming out here, I did a final check on the blog and saw that the meetups planned for Saturday are now canceled. We're going to make some phone calls and check some information and have any new developments for you coming up tonight at 7. Reporting live, Adam Mercusen, Team 10.
We know you'll keep watching. Thank you, Adam.